Hey everyone, Jay here from Review All the Things. Welcome back. Today we're going to do some winter prep on the Polaris because it'll be snowing before we know it, and I'm going to take you through that. If you were following along with me last year, I tried out the PVC Plow blade hack, and I had some issues with it breaking. Ultimately ended up with the Schedule 80 conduit, and I did end up breaking the corner off of that one on a big rut in the road. I was trying to help the neighbors out. So what we're going to do here is repair this, and since I have an extra piece from last year and I don't have the full piece, I'm going to patch it in because this is about $50 or $60 for a piece. This piece, I think it's 8 feet, 10 feet, whatever it is. So we're going to mark it halfway through, cut it with our multi-tool, and slide on a new piece.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, you can just hide while I work. I'm tired of you first, I'll write a second, third verse about the life you disperse. You never I know it hurts. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Alright, so we have successfully patched our PVC plow blade. We'll see how long it lasts this year.